I got a box. Hi, I'm Madam Eileen. I got a box. I like getting packages because it just means I get to make your parties more exciting. So let's see what's in the box. This is the way it came. And it only has a single piece of tape here holding it closed. I know that this thing is not fragile, so they sent it the cheapest way possible, but the thin box is a bit battered and bent. So what is in the box? I will show you. I have a little package here that says balloon glue. I've never heard of balloon glue. What is balloon glue? I'm pulling up this back flap here to a T, pinching the package on the top, and I'm pulling apart. I only meant to open a hole. Maybe I should use my scissors. I need my eyeglasses. Yes, I'm over 50. I need reading glasses if I want to see fine details. Hello world, I can see the computer now. What is balloon glue? Balloon glue, made in China. The instructions are in Chinese. These are the instructions. I think you're supposed to clean the surface. Take off a piece of tape. Put it on the cleaned surface of the balloon. And then push the balloon where you want it to go. I think that's what it means. So let me try it. Oh! Oh! I pulled it apart. Look! Can you see that? Glue dots. The balloon glue is glue dots. I wonder how well these are going to work. Well, that's nice. I did not expect that in my package. Let's see what else is in here. Bag. Can you tell what those are? And that's all that's in the box. No papers. Let's put that box away. Oh, yeah. These are exactly what I was hoping for. These are a whole bunch of magnetic butterflies. I got them on Amazon. They're magnetic butterflies. So let's check them out. Ooh, let's get the big one out. So the big one. Oh, no. This. Oh, I'm dropping butterflies. Oh, the magnets were sticking together. You see that? Are there no instructions? Did it fall out of the box? Oh, there's a paper down here. Exactly instructions. Nope. I see a butterfly or two down there. Oh! Let's see, these are 3D butterflies. So there's a set of wings. You bend one back so it stands up, and then you bend the other one back, push it down. There's your butterfly. And it's fixed to things that are metal. Is this metal enough? Yeah, check that out. And so I guess you can take one of these glue dots, put it on the magnet of the butterfly, pull the glue dot off, your balloon, and you push and let go. And now we have a pretty butterfly on our quill candy cup. Oh, that is amazing. That is so pretty. Ooh, can you imagine the next time someone asks me to make a blue unicorn, I put a butterfly on the unicorn's nose? Oh my goodness, that's going to be so cute. Well, thank you for tuning into my unboxing of my butterflies. This is a pack of, oh, there's something else in the package. Oh, maybe I was just lucky. I pulled out this package of butterflies, but these other butterflies have a white package in them. Are those the instructions? Open, pull out the white thingy, and reading glass time. Find stuff. Oh, it's a whole bunch of little squares. Oh, it's a sticky square. Does the other side pull off? It does. Okay, that's what. These little square foam, these are thick double-sided tape. I guess also for sticking butterflies on. Let's see. Let's do this one. Activate it by pushing the wings up and then down into a more natural position. Pardon me. I needed some water. I'm doing a lot of talking. So I put the double-sided foam on. And I'm going to put this here. Push. Hold it for just a little bit and let go. So there's flat blue dots that have the butterfly flat to the surface. And then these foam for giving a little distance between the object and the butterfly. Well, that's nice. These butterflies were there were 86 butterflies, and they're magnetic. 86 magnetic 3D butterflies. I got them from Amazon, and I'm going to use them to wow up my balloon designs. They're enchanting. So I got blue, pink, multicolored. Ooh, these are like ivory. Some more bright pink. Ooh, this one has big, really big butterflies in it. There's green and yellow and orange. Wow, that is really great, really pretty. Now, I need to tell you, I didn't discover this myself. I didn't. A wonderful, great man by Michael. His name is Michael Bay. He does lessons on how to do candy cups, and I've learned a lot from him. So you need to look up Michael Bay on YouTube, on Facebook, and he does live Zoom classes, so you can have one-on-one with Michael Bay, and he teaches you how to do candy cups. He's been doing candy cups for over a year now, and he is really amazing at it. So tune into Michael Bay. Look him up. Pay for his tutorials. They are totally worth it. Not long after I saw that Michael Bay did butterflies, I saw someone else putting butterflies on their objects too. So I don't know where Michael Bay heard it from, or the person who was putting butterflies. I don't know if she heard it from also Michael Bay. But anyways, brilliant idea. I cannot talk enough about how great Michael Bay is. He even is planning on doing a Balloon University class. He has a lot of tutorials out there, and, well, what can I say? You need to look up Michael Bay. Or MB3 is what he calls his Balloon University classes. So check him out. You'll love him. Bye. Thanks for watching my unboxing.